Hi guys, welcome to Tech Press with yet another video. In this video, I want to show you how to customize your new tab page on Chrome. So on Chrome, you usually get a new tab page with this Google search engine and these tabs you can actually add these shortcuts to the page that you want. You can click this. This is the latest version of Chrome released recently. So and you have a couple of changes here. You can see that is a tab design and this simplified user interface. So that's it. So however, sometimes you want to customize this new tab page with lots of applications or maybe some websites shortcuts, better background, etc., and also different search engine instead of um, Google, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to customize. I'm going to introduce two extensions that you can add to Google Chrome. So either of them, only one works at a time. Okay, you can choose any of them. So first, I'm going to introduce this Infinity. So it's one of the most used applications. So Infinity New Tab. It has beautiful customized interface like shortcuts to many websites and also applications. You can also use multiple search engines. If you want to switch between search engines, you also have. I'll show you how it works. I've already added this to my Chrome. Okay, enable this. You can go to this URL and you can add it to your Chrome. And enable this item and it will be enabled. The thing has been enabled, and here you can see the icon of this at Infinity New Tab. So if I open, you get this. You don't need to do anything. You just need to add the extension to your Chrome. Then your new tab page will automatically be changed. However, sometimes you may not see this Google in the search engine. You may have all these options: Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, Bing, etc., DuckDuck, Go. So if you want to have access to its settings, you just click this settings and you have access to its settings page. You can change all sort of things of this extension. So open website in the new tab, bookmarks history in a new tab, etc., like that. And also icon transparency, you can change that as well, and wallpaper as well. If you want to change local wallpaper, if you want to set a local wallpaper that you have on your PC, you can select a local wallpaper so that your Chrome also has the same wallpaper as a background on its new tab page. If you want to sync Bing wallpaper, you can also do that, automatically change the wallpaper, etc. If you want to download more wallpaper, you can do that as well. If you want to add more things to your new tab page, like web pages or applications, etc., you can do that. You can even add games, you can add shopping pages, applications, some other applications, weather, history, etc., and music, pictures, news, um, social media, and sports, lifestyle, education, all sorts of things you can add to this new tab page so that you can easily, it's just acts like Chrome OS, right? So you have all this in front of you. Everything is connected to internet either way. So mostly everybody is connected to internet nowadays, almost all the time, right? So it's a mini Chrome OS maybe. So you have access to all sort of things that has to do with the internet. You can access them easily. If you want to access YouTube, just click YouTube, then you'll be taken to youtube.com. So that's it. And if you want to Twitter, you go to Twitter, that's it. And if you want to go to some other website that you have added like Instagram, just click it and you'll be taken to that. And there are these kinds of things as well, apps and social media. If you want to read something, you can add these kinds of things. Financial, if you just want to add some page to this new tab page, all you have to do is just go to that particular category and choose that particular website or application that you want to add to add more websites or something. You can just click this. Now I want to add Google Plus, then it will be added here. That's it. So Android Central, you will be taken to Android. And if you want to add more search engines, you can click this and add search engines, and you can enable the search engines available here. Or if you want to add separate search engines, you can do that as well. You can add search engine here, URL with custom search engine that you want to use, you can do that as well here. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. And there is another one as well. So if you don't want this, if you want even simpler version of this, I'll show you another one. So I'm going to disable this here. I don't want it. Remove from Chrome. Yes. So I'm going to a new Chrome extension. In this case, you can go to the extension, clicking in the URL in the description. So this is the one I have already added. So this is much simpler, just like default Google Chrome new tab page. It looks like that, but of course with um, custom background and search engines. So enable this item. Once you enable this, you have this new page here. So it's loading, the background is loading. That's it. So you can actually, you can change the settings. So if you want to change the search engine, you can change it here. But of course, you can't actually add any custom search engines here. So you need to use any of these search engines available. And you can also these add new tabs here. If you want to add more websites to this new tab, you can add that as well. You can choose whatever you want, and if you want to delete some of them, you can click this three dots and remove bookmark. So that's it. And if you want to change the background theme, you can do that as well. From here you can choose the theme that you want. So for example, this, so it's loading the theme. Okay, so you can choose whatever the theme you want. So you can also upload backgrounds that you want to use on your Chrome. It looks beautiful. So the new tab page also features some services that you can easily access from here. So just click this gear icon and you can actually go to any of these Google services available. So this is the second one. Leave your thoughts on these two extensions, guys, and which one you prefer. And also, I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips and tricks like this, and thanks for watching.